Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Check battery and free storage, then open Only Way and pick the region you need. Tap Download and select the map resolution. Higher detail uses more space. While it downloads, also grab the voice pack and any transit or hiking overlays if you plan to use them. Once the download completes, make sure the app shows the map as available offline, because that flag tells you the files are ready for navigation without a data connection. Once done, enable GPS and confirm Only Way has location permission so your position updates without network access. You should set the routing profile to match your trip, driving for highways, walking for trails, because routing rules change the calculated route. Make sure the offline search index is built. Go to Settings, Offline Search, and start indexing so place names and POIs resolve locally. Adjust cache size to fit your storage. You now enter your destination and choose Start Offline Route. Navigation will use the downloaded tiles and local routing engine. Save key waypoints as favorites and export a GPX for backup or to share. If the app can't route or displays blank tiles, make sure the offline map version matches the app's current database and that the offline search index finished building. If necessary, delete and re-download the region. Then reboot the app to rebuild caches and restore full functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.